Hello guys, so today for this collective reading, we will be doing a you versus your person. So we will be tapping into the energy of you, your person, and your connection. So let's see. Yan, if you're open to receiving a message about your connection or your person, ayan, this video may have found you for a reason. Okay? So, yan. Una, tingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung energies na nasa paligid ng relationship or ng connection nyo. And then, after na to, we will be getting into tarot. So, we will be tapping into your respective energy. So, yung energy mo and then yung energy ng person mo. So, ngayon, unahin natin yung energy ng connection yung dalawa. Okay? Angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the energy between this connection, this collective's connection? Okay. Okay, so you got the butterfly, the coffin. So maybe your connection is healing. Pwedeng kayong dalawa. Okay, siguro, you got the coffin, so this is about endings, bring new beginnings. So I feel na your connection, remember kasi this reading, itong first part natin is about the energy around your connection. So your connection is currently evolving, okay? It's currently in transformation. Yan. You got the axe. So, siguro, the axe is about a breakup, separation, silent treatment, abandonment, no contact. So, I feel na you guys may be experiencing a no contact right now. So, pero, based naman dito sa dalawang cards na to, this means na your connection is growing. Your connection is changing. Your connection is evolving. Okay, so let's confirm this. The butterfly. You got addiction. So I feel na your connection before, it was very a codependent relationship. So for sure, parang there may have been instances na nagiging controlling na yung one or the other or parehas kayo, and it's being blocked. So parang nagkaroon kayo ng codependency with your partner, kaya kailangan yung mag-grow, kailangan mag-transform na tong connection nyo. Okay, coffin. Let's see. We got the dragonfly. So, magkakaroon kayo ng clarity and your connection is healing. Nakalagay dito sa dragonfly natin, the dragonfly, be lighthearted, finding out, things coming to light, adapt, change, and heal. So, may mga bagay kayo na marirealize. May mga bagay kayo sa relationship nyo na kailangan nyong ma-realize, and kailangan nitong mabago. Kailangan nitong mag-change. Kailangan nyo mag-grow. Okay, this is part of growth then. Okay, for the axe, bakit nga ba may silent treatment? Siyempre, nahulog yung card. Okay, for the axe, you got the runner. So, kung sino man yung unang nag-end ng contact nung connection nyo, runner in a codependent relationship. So, may codependency tendencies talaga yung connection nyo. And someone, either one of you, decided to cut the contact, to have no contact. Yun yung energy ng connection nyo right now. Yan. So, yan ang energy nyo. So, ngayon, you are in no contact because your connection, kailangan nyo parehas mag-grow for you to take your relationship to the next level. So, dahil nga may mga unhealthy behavior, unhealthy traits like codependency, obsession, possession, controlling behaviors. Ayan. Pero there will be, you got the dragonfly. So there will be something coming into light. May ma-realize kayong dalawa, may epiphany, may bigla kayong madidiscover about your connection na which will be the start nung pag-grow and pag-heal ng connection nyo. Okay, now let's see. Let's see the energy naman of you guys. Kayong dalawa as an individual. So what are you feeling right now and what is what is your person feeling then? So first, for you, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is this collective feeling right now? Sa connection nila, okay, kunin natin yung tumalon. Okay, you got the two of coins. Okay, so ikaw to, this is your energy, this collective, yung nanonood ng video. Okay, so you are still trying to juggle. Tinitingnan mo kung tinatry mo pa rin i-restore yung balance nung connection yung dalawa. You feel that this is you got the two of coins, ayan, so you are balancing your connection and you are defending this connection. You feel na this is worth fighting for. You are taking the stand. And you also got the star. So, ayan, tingnan natin. Kasi parang you still hope. Okay, there's still hope na renewal, healing, na mag-heal yung connection nyo, na magkaroon pa ng renewal, reunion kayong dalawa, and you feel na you are balancing this connection kasi you know that it is worth it. You know na you are making a stand out of it. Yun. So, hinaharap mo siya pero you feel na may pag-asa pa tong relasyon namin. You try to balance your relationship kahit na in no contact kayo. Okay? You feel na meron pa tong pag-asa. This space is for growth yung dalawa, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na there's hope in reuniting, in healing this connection. Okay, let's confirm this. Two of coins. Okay, you got the Seven of Cups. Yeah, you are balancing this connection kasi alam mo, maybe because you are trapped in that illusion na this is your person, or pwede rin naman na you are very wishful thinking na tinatry mo pa rin siyang i-balance itong connection na to na currently in no contact kayo kasi you are optimistic. You are very optimistic kasi nakikita mo na may possibility pa na mag-heal itong connection nyo. And hindi pa rin yun malinaw for you. Dami nung nahulog, okay? Seven of Wands. Pinaglalaban mo pa rin to. Okay? You got the Page of Swords. So, feeling ko, ngayon, parang you are being a detective. Okay? So, you are seeking clues kasi 'di ba no contact kayo, pero tinitingnan mo pa rin yung social media ng person mo na binabantayan mo kung ano bang ginagawa niya, ano nangyayari niya, nag-gather ka ng data, tinitingnan mo if tinitingnan mo kung ano nga bang pinagkakaabalahan nito, meron pa bang pag-asa yung relationship nyo, ganyan. So, hinahanapan mo, nag-investigate ka, you are trying to find breadcrumbs, okay, sa relationship na to. Kasi nga, you are fighting for it, diba? And for the star, we got the Seven of Swords. Okay? So, I feel na you are, okay. So, itong swords na to, this is, nakalagay dito, not what it seems. Not what it seems. So, I feel na you are still carrying the idea na this is worth fighting for, pero you should also know na may mask. There is a mask being hidden from you. There is something na being hidden from you, sketchy behavior or sneaky behavior, siguro may betrayal. So, na kailangan mo yun harapin. Yun, merong mga bagay na hindi mo alam na nangyayari around your relationship. Pero you are still hoping na ma-heal itong behavior na to. Yan. So, yun yung energy mo right now. So, let's see naman yung energy ng person mo. Your person. Tingnan natin kung ano ang pinagkakaabalahan niya. Paano ba ang ganap niya? Since you are in no contact, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the energy of this collective's person? Okay, tingnan natin. Ano nga bang ganap ng person mo? in this no contact situation. Okay, you got the King of Cups. So, this King of Cups, minamaster niya yung, siguro, kinikilala niya yung sarili niya. Tinatry niyang i-balance yung emotions niya. Baka nag-heal din siya. Okay, so, nag-start naman na siyang maging self-aware. Next is Five of Cups. Very, yung person mo, Five of Cups in reverse. So, nag-heal siya. Ayan, there's healing and ina-accept niya itong change na to. Siguro, ina-absorb niya yung feelings niya, pinapakiramdaman niya talaga yung nararamdaman niya right now. Kailangan niyang i-process. Pero, hindi naman siya galit sa'yo. Wala naman siyang negative emotions towards you. Tanggap niya lang na baka hanggang dun na lang. Okay, ready na siya mag-move on and mag-let go. Yan, last tingkwa tayo for your person. We got the Two of Swords. Okay. You got the Two of Swords in reverse. Nakalagay dito, attention, red flags. So, baka may red flag nga itong person mo na to. Siguro, either nakikita na niya yung red flags ng relationship nyo, or this person could also have red flags na parang, wino-warningan ka na itong person mo, hindi siya what it seems. May Seven of Swords. So, that's about betrayal and sneaky business. And this Two of Swords, parang kino-confirm niya na, attention, may red flags yung person mo na kailangan mo maging aware. Kasi tinan mo, yung person mo, ready na agad siya mag-move on. Tinatanggap na niya agad na, hindi, tapos na to. Parang very siya ngayon. Pero may King of Cups siya. Marami siya masyadong feelings for this connection. Okay, masyadong nararamdaman. Okay. Oh, your person also got a Tower. So, the Tower, a reckoning. So, this is about a sudden change, sudden upheaval, a revelation, an immediate happening, a shocking event. So, siguro, this is about, the King of Cups. So, siguro may nalaman siyang something na nakaapekto talaga sa kanya. Na nakaapekto sa pag-decide niya. Okay, so may nangyaring something sa kanya in terms of nagbago bigla. May bigla ang nagbago sa kanya. Okay. Then we got one more. Tingnan natin kung ano kaya itong nagbago na to. Okay, we got the Five of Swords. Okay, the Five of Swords. So, the Five of Swords is about a plot twist. Talagang, may conflict siyang naranasan or meron siyang plot twist. May plot twist na nangyari sa kanya. Yun lang. Hindi sinabi kung anong nangyari. Basta there's something na nangyari. Okay? Kaya ngayon naman, marami siyang emotions na dinideal with. Pero ready na siya for healing. Siguro nagkaroon siya ng epiphany na biglang meron na-realize niya sa sarili niya na na ganito ko. Siguro na-realize niya na may red flag siya. Kaya ngayon, nagpo-focus siya to heal himself. Pwede rin yun. Bigla siyang nagkaroon ng sudden realization na parang, oops, parang kailangan ko tong baguhin. Malay natin, di ba? Okay, we got the Queen of Swords under the Five of Cups. So, Five of Cups, this is about moving on. I feel na, healing. So, ang nakalagay dito, mentally strong. So, your person is mentally strong and alam niya kung paano niya, mabilis siya mag-isip. Mabilis siya makaisip ng mga ways to have a resolution pagdating sa mga conflicts and problems in life. So, matindi ang kanyang ang strength, mental strength. Okay, and for the Two of Swords, you got the Knight of Wands. Okay. So your person, they might be coming towards you after nila mag-heal, after nung mga pag-process na tong mga to, they might be coming towards you. Eto, nasa ilalim mo siya nung red flags. Kasi they might be coming towards you na very confident, na very, parang lalapit lang siya for you to, para i-ano ka lang niya, para isway papunta sa kanya. Pero it might be, pero sabi nga nung Two of Swords kanina, attention, red flag daw yun. Kasi baka hindi genuine yung paglapit niya. Baka, iaano ka lang niya, isusway papunta sa kanya, um, tapos kapag nakuha ka na niya, 'di ba? Baka hindi pa rin talaga siya healed. Okay? Yun yung energy ng person mo ngayon. So, ito yung pinaka-importante. Attention, red flags. So, yung person mo, baka meron siyang mga, may ano siya, side siya na very red flag-ish na behavior. Okay, let's see. Ngayon, ano naman ang, tingnan natin kung ilang number. Okay, siguro ito, the next weeks. Sige, tingnan natin kung ano mang number to. Okay, so we got 11. So for the next 11 weeks. Okay. So for the next 11 weeks or for the next 3 months, ito yung mga posibleng mangyari based on your current energy. Okay, angels, ancestors, spirit guides. What are the possible outcomes from itong collective na to? Ano ang for the next 3 months? Okay. You got the Magician in reverse, Two of Coins, and Queen of Cups. Okay. So for the next 3 months, you will have you will have clarity. You will get the clarity that you want, and maybe it will be balanced again. Kasi this is about you got the Two of Coins, so this is a balancing act. So you may be juggling priorities in 3 months. So siguro continue pa rin kayo mag back and forth, push and pull nung person mo. Pero you will have better clarity in your mind. You will know, you will have a plan kung ano na yung mga next actions mo. Okay, and you also got the Queen of Cups. So this is about emotionally connected, ayan, creative idealist. So, magiging ano pa rin naman siya, full of love ka pa din. Pero you will be more guarded. You will be more guarded in your heart space. Kasi, you will be, sige, kuha pa tayo cards, tingnan natin. Bago ko sabihin yung sasabihin ko. Let's confirm these cards. Magician. Okay. You got the Eight of Wands. So this is about a very, communication is coming towards you. Okay? So, feeling ko, okay, I get this feeling, I get na parang bigla ko narinig na there will be communication between you and your person in the next 3 months. Pero you will be both planning what um your next move will be, or your next kung paano kayo sa mga susunod na buwan or taon or kung gaano man, you will be planning on your next move as a relationship, as a connection. Okay? Kasi based naman din doon sa nakuha nating cards dito, your relationship, your connection is maganda yung ano niya, parang may growth na mangyayari, na kailangan mag-grow. Pero feeling ko, magiging willing naman kayo parehas to work on it. Kasi there will be communication, there will be progress, and there will be growth sa connection nyo. Okay? Two of Coins, please. You got the Page of Cups. Yeah. So, magkakaroon ng mga romantic gestures from this person na kaya kayo mag-back and forth. So, parang magkakaroon kayo ng balancing act, mababalance nyo yung isa't isa, and magiging very, romantic na yung connection nyo ulit. Kasi you both are willing. You will be willing to work on your relationship. Okay, we got Ace of Cups under the Queen of Cups. So, I feel, Ace of Cups in reverse. Okay, ito na yung sabihin ko kanina. So, this Ace of Cups in reverse, ang nakalagay dito, time for reflection, holding back. And very, parang kino-confirm niya lang tong Queen of Cups. Kasi si Queen of Cups, very full of love siya. And, emotionally connected siya. Pero, kaya niyang i-guard yung heart space niya. Kasi matagal niyang hinil yung sarili niya, matagal siyang nag-heal, tapos magiging very protective siya sa sarili niyang heart space. So, etong Ace of Cups in reverse, nakalagay dito, holding back, taking care of yourself, self-love. Ayan, so kailangan, pag naging ito, kasi nga magiging okay, di ba? Magiging okay yung connection niyo. Magiging very romantic, magiging very willing kayo to grow. Pero you should also guard your heart space. Kasi, based dun sa kanina, yung person mo, nagkaroon siya ng, meron siyang Seven of Swords behavior. So, baka may secrets, may sneaky behavior na kailangan mong malaman. And you should trust your intuition kasi you will be the Queen of Cups. Magiging, kailangan pakinggan mo kung ano yung mga nafe-feel mo sa connection yung dalawa. You will have time to reflect on your person's behavior kasi nga, ngayon, you will be guarding your heart. Meron ka ng boundaries in terms of your heart space. Yan. So, ito, mangyayari to in 3 months. Okay, 11 weeks. Based dun sa dice natin. Okay, so, now let's get important letters na lang. Nawala yung dice ko. Okay, so, important letters. Initials. Okay, so we got P, A, N, I, R. Okay, last, isa pa. You got E, R, R, T, N. So, ayan. Yan yung mga initials. Pwedeng initials mo, initials ng person nyo. Ayan. So, if this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And, ayun, sana nakatulong to sa mga pinagdadaanan nyo right now. Ayan, sabihan nyo lang sa comments if it did. And I'll see you on the next reading, guys. Bye!